Lizard.
I still want you to drive this, because you haven't driven it since we put the turbo. You don't want to drive this. It's not that bad. You just can't slip the clutch. Yeah, I don't know. I got you on camera going through the red lights. Check it out. Don't forget. Insert meme of putting the brain cell video.
NANI?!
Or someone's just blown up their clutch. Someone's car's on fire. I wanted content. Yeah, no, that's not good.
Is that a call?
Yeah, no, that's... Somebody roasted their clutch on the way up here. That was the car. Oh no, maybe not. No, that smells like clutch. Is it recording again? I want to try a test to see if the coil packs do their thing again. So, well, I know that it's not going to lift up, but I want to see if it stutters and breaks up. What? You don't have rights of way, bud. Because he's shaking his head because nobody's letting him through. Random Mercedes 4x4. Okay. See, my current problem is if I hold boost like I did there out of that corner, my AFRs are reading super duper lean. If I don't do that though until I get to 4,000 RPM, so I just put in so that it runs nice and rich, but it'll be below the RPM that I need for basically for the clutch, then I roast my clutch.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
It'd be great if the government actually did proper stuff on the road. This Mercedes was just gunning me. more RPM to go. Which means more speed, more power. What I do love about this car is like what happened exactly there. There was somebody being a little bit slow, so I go for the overtake. I don't want to use, full throttle, screaming, shouting, all of the power, because I don't need all of the power. I'm already close to the speed limits, I just need to get around them. But the effortlessness of this car, of being able to just like put 5% throttle, sorry for the bumpy roads, 5% throttle, and the car just goes. Oh, it's lovely. One tire peel. You recently did an engine swap and turbocharged said engine. And his car's been, I don't think it's running 100% yet, but it's running. Traffic and the day that I'm recording? Could this be some form of miracle? I'm not going to go over the speed limit, but there's a lot of nice fun corners to take, so I've also noticed, I don't know if the audience has noticed, but whenever I film these videos, I go back and I realize how much I lick my lips when I'm doing something. So like there, I notice now, I was licking my lips before I went into boost. I don't know why I do it, I just do. I get all excited and I'm just like, hey boy. This road's a lot of fun, in short. It would be a lot more fun if we could go a little bit faster, but the speed limit is 60 and I'm not going to break the speed limit. irritates me. I want to say I can feel like it's gone softer. I don't know how else to describe it. It's a lot more spongy, and I can feel it doesn't have that same sharp bite that it usually does when I try to release the clutch. And like that's after one slight uphill pull. And I did it from 4,000 RPM also. Useless.